but in practical life, it's been a challenge. I've got my planting schedule and calendar worked out and basically broken down on Excel a month per month. In order to basically follow a plan where I continually plant and I continually harvest as well, so that one isn't overwhelmed with the garden come harvest season. And in theory, that makes a lot of sense, but in practical life, it's been a challenge because sometimes one gets too busy and then we let certain responsibilities slip through the fingers, forget to. And I decided to approach this year a bit differently because trying to follow that structure for the past 2 or 3 years didn't really work out well for me. And I'm not saying it can't work, it's saying that I'm a bit absent minded and maybe a bit neglectful to certain responsibilities.